In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect wired controller to Fortnite PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using a wired controller on Fortnite is extremely simple, regardless of the controller type that you are trying to use. Xbox, PlayStation, or Switch controllers, they are all going to be detected and used in Fortnite automatically. So first, to establish a connection between the controller and your PC or laptop, plug it into any of the available USB ports. So if you have a laptop, it is going to be at the side. And if you have a PC, you can either connect it at the back of your PC tower. So you can look for the ports on the motherboard or the ports in front of your PC, usually on your PC case. It doesn't matter. The functionalities are going to be identical, so just choose whichever one is more convenient to access. First, plug one end of a cable into your controller. Usually for modern controllers, this is going to be USB-C, but if you have an older one, it can be micro USB. So check the port and determine which cable you need, and the other end of the cable goes into your PC. So you plug it into any of the available USB ports. You can see them at the front of your PC case, on the motherboard, or if you have a laptop, on the side. And you can plug them into any port, it doesn't matter. As soon as you plug them, they should get detected automatically by Windows and all of the drivers will be updated accordingly, so all that you have to do is wait. If you right-click the Windows icon and you go to Device Manager, you should find them in here. So I have an Xbox controller and it gets detected as Xbox peripheral. If you have a PlayStation controller, you might have to download additional software such as DS4 Windows, but you can try to use it before you download those additional software. So inside of Fortnite, click this icon at the top right, go into the settings, and switch over to the controller tab. It should get detected in here, and of course if you press any inputs on the controller, they will start working right away. So you can change the controller platform depending on the buttons that you would like to see. So Xbox Series X or S, Xbox One, and so on. It is entirely customizable and super simple to use. You can rebind everything, see what each button does, and you can play Fortnite entirely using any controller connected to your PC. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect wired controller to Fortnite PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.